Here on News 3 Live at noon, we're looking ahead to a big gala supporting the Avery Burton Foundation. It was helped and created by this man right here, Reggie Burton, to honor the memory of his son. Reggie, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for joining us here. We'll get to the gala in a quick second, but I sort of want to let our viewers know what is the daily goal of your foundation?
Well, first of all, thanks for having
me.
And it's this month is Mental Health Awareness Month, so I'm wearing a little green under my jacket.
To support there, here in May.
So that really signifies the day-to-day of what we do. We want every month to be Mental Health Awareness Month. So we do outreach, education, training, connect people with resources. That's sort of a snapshot of what the day-to-day looks like.
You can learn so much more about the foundation, by the way, AveryBurtonFoundation.org, named in honor of your son. He was 22 years old, died by suicide in 2017, just after graduating from UNLV. How do you explain his story now? How do you make the mission more than just reminding people about his death?
Yeah, so the foundation is essentially his legacy, and it's really sort of fulfilling what he wanted to do with his life. He wanted to be a doctor. He wanted to be a doctor of physical therapy. And when he had his major depressive episode, it led me to want to better understand, how can I help other people help their family members, their loved ones? And I think that's ultimately going to be Avery's legacy. But I think when I think about this journey that we've been on, there are parents watching this program right now that were doing what we were doing 7-8 years ago when Avery graduated from college, and that is celebrating. But what I want to do is say, hey, celebrate, enjoy, but be mindful of those dangers of mental health and those mental health disorders that can be lurking. They're invisible. And your child has a dream to go to a certain school, maybe plans with their life, and then something happens. How do we manage that adversity? So that's what we're trying to do.
You see the dates right there on screen, by the way, June 6th and 7th for this gala, hosted by Resorts World Las Vegas, emceed by our own Marie Mortera, by the way. What can people expect? Can people still go? You still making reservations there?
Yeah, no, thank you for that very important question. Table sponsorships are still being taken.
Wonderful.
So if you have someone out there that's watching, tell a friend. They can support this organization with the table sponsorship, or just make a direct donation to AveryBurtonFoundation.org if they're not able to make it. But what they can expect is we're going to honor our annual scholarship recipients. Since 2018, we've handed out over $32,000 to graduating high school seniors. Wow. And they're students just like Avery, so it's always really a nice moment for me and our family and those of us at ABF, because these students represent the best of the best in terms of achievement in the classroom and in sports. And with the rest of the program, we'll also be highlighting our first annual corporate mental health champion and our first mental health champion. The Raiders are our corporate mental health champion, and John Jenkins, a former Raider, is our mental health champion.
Lovely. AveryBurtonFoundation.org, where you can not only connect with Reggie, connect with the foundation, but learn so much more. Thank you. Have an incredible time with this gala coming up again, June 6th and 7th at Resorts World Las Vegas. AveryBurtonFoundation.org, the website right there at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for coming on.
You bet.
Good to see you. All right, still to come here, we are keeping watch of that